Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a printer shortcut on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. This is a great way to access your printer settings quickly, especially if you print often or manage multiple printers. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your desktop and right-click on any empty area. Hover over New and then click on Shortcut from the menu. Now in the location field, we're going to type a special command that opens the printer folder. Type this exactly, Explorer space shell printers folder. That's Explorer space shell printers folder. Then click Next. Now give your shortcut a name. You can name it something like printer shortcut or anything you like. Click Finish and your shortcut will appear on your desktop. When you double-click it, it will instantly open the Devices and Printers window, showing all available printers. From there, you can manage printer preferences, set defaults, cancel print jobs, or troubleshoot issues. If you want to make it even easier to access, you can right-click the shortcut and choose Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. But wait, let's make this shortcut look nicer by giving it a proper icon. Right-click the shortcut again and click on Properties. Under the Shortcut tab, click Change Icon. It might give you a warning first, just click OK to continue. Now browse through the available icons and choose the one you like. Scroll through and find a printer icon or something related. Once you find it, select it, click OK, then Apply, and that's it. Printer shortcut on your desktop with a proper icon and everything. It's a small trick, but it can save you a lot of time in the long run. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.